Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama's Soul Kitchen. Today we have Granny's chuck roast prepping stages, everybody. So we're going to prep this and put it into the freezer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Granddaughter is getting prepped for surgery during this time, and we wanted to make sure we had some freezer meals that are available in the freezer for her to just easily just warm up if in need, because she's only going to have one arm for a while, everybody. Best wishes to my granddaughter. So we're going to go ahead and put it over here into some nice containers. Now, you can buy containers from everywhere. You can buy from Target, Walmart, Big Lots, whatever. Nice freezer with lid containers, everybody, okay? So what we did, we made Granny's smacking green beans. We have some garlic parmesan, mashed potatoes. And so what we're going to do is put some nice hefty portions of our shredded chuck roast over here, okay? Chuck roast and gravy. And that's some of the gravy that we have right there. And we pour some in a dollop right there in the middle of the mashed potatoes, everybody, and put everything all nicely together. Look at that. Isn't that delicious looking? It's going to be delicious, even more delicious when she thaws it out and then puts it in the microwave for like about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, depending on the consistency. And this is also great meal preps for you guys too, if you guys taking it for lunch. Yes. All right. Now you're gonna be smelling up the whole office. People gonna be like, "Where'd you get that from?" You're gonna be like, "I homemade it from Mama's Soul Kitchen." Yes, yes, yes. All right, everybody. So now, since this is our next prepping dish that we have, we did a total of 8 containers, which was wonderful, and we were able to still have dinner. Now, this was about a 4 to 5 pound chuck roast that we had that cooked in the slow cooker for over 6 hours, and it was just delicious, simply tender and delicious. How'd you like it? It was so good, and I enjoyed every bite of it. Oh, I bet you did. It was really good, flavorful, and everything. Well, it's about the flavors that we do here on Mama's Soul Kitchen. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the mashed potatoes, and we're going to show you guys how to do those mashed potatoes as well. But look at this. All our recipes is on our YouTube channel, and we also have some other additional recipes on our Mama Soul Kitchen cookbooks. That's on Amazon.com, and we have just dessert styles for the sweet tooth only as well. But here's a plate that we had ready for dinner, and we just went on and had it. I just think it's just so elegant and pretty. Now, how much would this plate be if you went to dinner out and paid money for that? They be trying to charge you so much for some salt and pepper roast. They ought to be ashamed, but they still make you want to slap somebody. Grandmother, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. That's not nice. Well, I know. But anyway, look, this has flavor all throughout the green beans. Look at the garlic chunks over there. You got garlic chunks in the roast and onions and all that good old stuff. Check out our recipe. It's already posted on our YouTube channel and on TikTok. Talk to you guys soon. Follow us for more.